Hello. Today I'd like to do a practice with you on text structure. When making pickles, Barbara Gibson first picks 3 or 4 dark green cucumbers from her garden. Then she washes them in cold water. Next, she puts them in a jar. Please pause to consider what is the text structure that is used in this short selection. You should have chosen B, sequence. The details are told as what she does first, what she does secondly using then, and what she does in conclusion using next. Over half of the cucumbers grown in the U.S. are used to make pickles. The average American eats about 106 pickles per year. How is this text organized? Is it A, problem solution, B, question and answer, C, description, or D, none of the above? Please pause and consider what the appropriate answer would be. You should have chosen C, description. In this short passage, you are given details about the production of pickles and how many Americans eat in the course of a year. Next, a pickle jar is sometimes hard to open. To solve this problem, tap the sides of the lid gently with a metal spoon. How is this text organized? Is it A, sequence, B, question and answer, C, compare and contrast, or D, none of the above? Please pause to consider the appropriate answer. For this one, you should have chosen none of the above. The structure of this text is problem solution. A key phrase in this selection to let you know that it was problem solutions is in the second sentence, to solve this problem. Next, a sweet pickle is sweeter than a dill pickle because it is made with sugar. However, both sweet pickles and dill pickles are made with cucumbers, spices, and vinegar. How is this text organized? Is it A, description, B, cause and effect, C, compare and contrast, or D, none of the above? Please pause the video for a moment to consider the appropriate answer. For number 4, you should have chose compare and contrast because you're talking about sweet pickles and dill pickles, and you're talking about how they are alike and how they're different. Okay, this concludes our practice activity on text structures. I hope it has been beneficial to you. If you have additional questions, please consult your teacher. Thank you.